I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up. And I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another fall day in the life type of video. And this will probably be the last of its kind because it is Halloween weekend. So first of all, happy Halloween if you celebrate. I hope everybody has a super fun and safe holiday, and if you do not celebrate, then I hope everybody has or has had, if you're watching it after the fact, a great weekend, because we can always celebrate the weekend, right? But anyway, so we're going to be doing a few fun Halloween festivities, as well as going to our local fair. So that's super fun. Stick around to the end to see all of that. But we're going to be starting out with doing kind of a segue into the holiday content. I don't have, any cleaning or decorating or anything for you today, but what I am doing is kind of like a brain dump for that. Not only for myself to get it all on paper, but like I said, kind of a segue for y'all. The next big thing I'm doing on my channel is kind of a deep cleaning to prepare for the holidays series. I'm probably going to break it up into 2 or 3 videos because I really just want to get everything like big done around here before Thanksgiving so that I can really enjoy this time with my kids and my family, because I'm sure y'all know as moms, like, it is just so hard to manage time in general, but especially this time of year, it can really get away from you if you're not super intentional with your time. So I am writing down every room and what I want to do in every room. It's a lot of really nitpicky stuff that's just long overdue, but I want to get it done. So I hope that this can not only give y'all some motivation to maybe do the same, but also for those of you that really like the cleaning content, I have a ton of it coming up for the next few weeks. So definitely stick around and subscribe if you haven't. I would greatly appreciate it. And like I said, I have tons of cleaning motivation coming. So I know this is like a boring clip, but I wanted to be able to take a minute to chat with y'all about that while I'm not really doing anything important on camera. So here is that, and then as soon as I'm done, I'm going to show y'all a little bit of an overview, and then we are going to jump right into it. I'm going to show you the finished product of those super cute pumpkin spice waffles that I was making in the intro, and then we're going to head out and check out the Christmas decor at Target and Hobby Lobby. I do have a Christmas decor haul coming for y'all this upcoming week. I am not going to be decorating yet. I love fall and I love Thanksgiving, and I really like to try to live, in the moment and enjoy whatever season or holiday that we're in without just rushing on to the next thing too much. So not going to be decorating yet, but I am going to start dabbling in that a little bit, not only for y'all, but because, I'm excited, but just not quite there yet. Don't want to throw my tree up on November 1st or anything. So we're going to go shopping, and I'm going to share that with y'all next week. But for right now, I'm going to stop blabbing because this is getting super long per usual if you're not new here. But please stick around through the end of the video. Give this video a thumbs up. It would help me out so much. And let's listen to music and go check out some Christmas decor as soon as I finish my waffles.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down,
didn't get to spend a ton of time in Target on this day. My boys got super fussy. So we're going to be heading on over to Hobby Lobby in just a minute. But the first thing I do when I walk in that store is grab 5 shoe boxes from the Operation Christmas Child display. We have been doing this for years. I do 1 shoebox per child that I have, so our shoebox stack keeps growing. We're up to 5 this year, but that's okay. It's really important to me, you know, to be able to do something for other people during the Christmas season, because that's definitely a big part of what it's all about, and I love to instill that in my children. So I'll talk more about that in a future video when I'm packing them all up. I plan on including that in a video because I would love to share it with people that aren't familiar with the organization, because it's, you know, a really good one. But anyways, I just wanted to mention that, and we'll continue to browse around Hobby Lobby for a few minutes, and then we will get back to real time, which is Halloween weekend.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of.
Hello, what can I do?
Hey, do y'all have any Halloween donuts left?
Oh yeah, we have the spider and the Dunko lantern.
The spider and the what?
Dunko lantern.
Dunko. Oh, the pumpkin.
It's like a vanilla cream filled donut. Like,
Okay, let's see. Can I do 3 of the spider and 3 of the Dunko lantern? And I want to get another half dozen of just like
Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside.
All right, y'all, we are at the fair now. This is something that we look forward to every year, all year. Comment and let me know if your local fair comes in the fall. I don't know if it does this everywhere or if it comes in the fall here, because we live in the South where it stays super hot pretty much year round, but definitely still in the fall. But yeah, comes here in the fall. We always look forward to it. It was a little bit of a bummer this year. It has gotten so expensive. Like, we had to pay $17 for chicken tenders and fries for our 2-year-old, and I was like mind blown. So yeah, not a fan of that. Hopefully it's better next year, but I don't know. But anyways, we made the best of it. The kids still had a ton of fun, especially my 4-year-old. This was the first year that she really kind of came out of her shell and wanted to go on rides, so that was super fun to see. But anyway, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit of everything, but I really wanted to use it kind of as a segue out of the fall and obviously the Halloween content, or really specific fall content, I should say, and moving into holiday prep, and of course after that the actual holiday content. So if you're still here, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. It would help me out so much, and I appreciate it so much. And yeah, stick around if you're looking for that cleaning motivation, because I have so much of it coming up very soon for y'all. And like I said, I have a Christmas decor haul coming up this week. I showed you a glimpse of that in this video, so I can't wait to share with y'all what I got and chat a little bit more about that. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. Like I said, I hope everybody has a happy Halloween or just a happy weekend, and I will see y'all in the next one.
We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, no. 'Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can